Hello and welcome to the 36th video of the Project Sovereign series. In this video, I'll finish modeling the details of the warp nacelles. We're reaching a major milestone today, so let's get started. I finished the back of the warp nacelles using much the same technique that I used to create the side swooshes, and I'll just show you how I did that. I pro booleaned the box to create the lines for the fin. Then I extruded the fin as local normal. I then detached the grill cutouts as separate objects. Then I imprinted the grill slats. Finally, I extruded the slats. And applied my gray material. Now that the major modeling of the warp nacelles is done, it's time to create the greebles, and I'm going to do that with a Greeble Montage set to 80s synthwave. And there you have it. The entire nacelle has been greebled and detailed. I've even added the nav lights here to the top and the bottom as well as to the front. So this is complete. Now the only thing left to do is put my symmetry modifier on. And there you have it. So that will end the modeling for this part of the ship. And this also means that the modeling is done for the entire ship, because what I was able to do was I was able to go back and fix some parts because a commenter named Penny Gadget gave me a really great source of reference for this ship on Propstore. It turns out they have a lot of photos of the actual physical model they built of the ship. So I was able to add detail to parts that I couldn't before because I couldn't really see what was going on. So I added some detail to the shuttle bay. You can see I extruded these extra brackets here and up here just to give it a bit more detail. I was also able to fill in some detail for the tractor beam emitter. This was just a solid block, but now it's been inset and more details have been added due to those photos. I added these nodules under here and here for the bottom of the secondary hull. And I was also able to completely redo the bridge the bridge and the bridge tower. I completely redid them because I got a much better photo. So what does that mean? It means that we are done modeling the Sovereign. It's been a long journey, but the model itself is finished. Of course, I do need to add these extra windows, but that's going to happen even further, even after the texturing is done, because I want to make sure I don't need to apply the symmetry modifier again, because that would ruin everything. So I'm going to wait until the very last moment to cut in these windows, but that's a very simple operation. So that will do it for this phase. The model is done. Be sure to check out the next video where I actually light the model. That's one of my favorite phases of the entire process, so that's sure to be a lot of fun. I hope you've enjoyed this series, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.